In this video, I'll show you how to make a poll on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, this can basically be like just what you're gonna create here, and you can get your feedbacks from what people are gonna say, right? Or what people are gonna choose. So what you're gonna do right now, you're gonna click on this icon, right? You're gonna click on this create a poll. So you can come on here. I want to type a question. I can type in what month are we in currently, right? Currently. So I'm gonna put a question mark. I'm gonna come on here. I can type December. I can type January, right? January. So once I'm done, you're gonna collect, like, you're gonna set the duration you want it to play on, right? It can be 4 hours, 8 hours, even 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. So I'm gonna put it, let's say, but I think the max here is 2 weeks, right? So I'm gonna put it 24 hours. I'm gonna click on the post right now. So you can see our poll has just been updated right here. Once more away, you can click on the January, right? So I think after 23 hours, you're gonna click on the show results. You're gonna see how many people voted, right? So this is basically how you can do this on Discord. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next.